Anita.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Satilakshmi ma'am.
Madam,
Yeah.
can I start, madam?
Yes.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Good evening to all dignitaries, guests, and delegates with great joy and immense exultation. On behalf of our English Language Department of ZPHS Indranagar, I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all presented here for the dissemination event part 2 of ZPHS Indranagar Smart Kids. With the immense pleasure of on behalf of Department of English, ZPHS Indranagar, we welcome esteemed guests, well-wishers, and blooming birds. That is our wonderful kids blooming in the garden of ZPHS Indranagar for this amazing and spectacular dissemination event of smart kids. A poor teacher tells, an average teacher explains, a good teacher demonstrates, but a great teacher inspires. We are fortunate to work under a great teacher who is a visionary and always thinks for the future of our ZPHS Indranagar students. We welcome our headmaster Ramaswamy Garu for witnessing this event and also for encouraging our smart kids. HM sir, headmaster sir, welcome. We cordially welcome to our dissemination session part 2. HM sir, please welcome sir.
Well, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Yes.
So,
Sir.
once again, it's a good day for all the students of Indranagar and teachers and my dear colleagues and the guests, esteemed guests who joined this meeting. I'm cordially inviting all you to be with us for this session. Hopefully, you may remain in the meeting till to the end of the session, because my students are requesting all the guests to be blessed with their precious blessings. So I over to English department, and I'm very thankful, very grateful to the efforts of English department for doing the
Okay, I think power cut problem is there with sir.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Madhu sir.
Satyalakshmi madam, you can introduce.
Madhu
You
sir.
can invite our students to present.
First, I invite our team, Indranagar staff team.
Make it. Yeah. Just welcome.
Okay, thank you. Proceed.
Now okay.
Ma'am, carry on.
Okay, madam. Okay, sir. Now I invite our Indranagar team. Teamwork yields more results. A single person can't yield fruitful results. This ZPHS Indranagar Smart Kids program is a live example of teamwork with all colleagues of our school and a back end support by our Indranagar team. Welcome to our Indranagar staff team, and also welcome to English department faculty members Angelic, Anita madam, and Magnimos Madhu sir. Now I am going to invite the smart kids. Now you are going to visualize the presentations of our smart kids. They are smart in using technology in language. We are conducting this program to make our students to become globally competent. Think locally and act globally. Hence, we started to bring all the worldly knowledge to the doorstep of our children, particularly during this pandemic. When all the world is sleeping and getting into mental tension, but our smart kids, Indranagar smart kids, are competent enough to learn all new technology tools, and they are utilizing every second for their academic growth. I am blessed to be a part of this memorable journey. Okay, Madhu sir.
Ma'am.
I handed over to Madhu sir. Madhu sir.
Okay. Children, good morning, all of you. And good morning to all the guests. Okay, Nana, don't repeat. Okay, good morning to all. And it's a warm welcome to all the guests and well-wishers to this event. And we are very much thankful to you for coming to this session and to bless our children. Once again, I am very thankful to you, sirs and madams. Now, I invite Meghana to present Kahoot. Meghana from 10th class, you are welcome, beta.
Okay, sir.
Madhu sir.
Ma'am.
Let me invite her.
Okay, right. Satyalakshmi madam, you are requested to invite Meghana.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Learning is fun when we use games. The games encourages the students to engage more in learning. So today our wonderful kid, Mighty Meghana, is going to demonstrate Kahoot, a gaming app, which is very useful for our students to learn with fun. Now I invite Meghana to start her presentation. Meghana, welcome beta.
Okay. A very pleasure. Good morning to everyone. I am Meghana from 10th class, ZPHS Indranagar. Now I am going to share my screen. This is my screen. Welcome to dissemination event of ICT tools in online of ZPHS Indranagar. Today I am going to present the Kahoot. I want to share with you an interesting application that is Kahoot. It is a free online game. It can play anywhere at any time. And it is a free game based learning tool that makes learning fun, and it is a funny game. You can enjoy a lot by playing this. Before I am going to the present, shall we make a play? Okay, now all of you follow my instructions. You minimize the Zoom and open the Chrome and type www.kahoot.it. Will you please follow my instructions? I request you to follow my instructions. Will you please minimize your Zoom and open the Chrome and search www.kahoot.it. It takes time to reveal. Will you please understand me? Open the Chrome and type www.kahoot.it. It takes time to start. I think it asks a game pin. Again, I am going to start it. Play, teach, choose a game mode. I am choosing as I wish to choose as a game. Yeah, we got it. Classic. Open the Chrome and type www.kahoot.it. It is loading. The game pin is loading. Okay. I am now going to share at the top you can see join at www.kahoot.it with game pin. I am going to say the game pin 666-45217. This is the game pin. You can join. Yeah, someone has joined. Yes, they are joining. I want some more players to join. It takes a time. Again, once again, I am saying the game pin 6645217. This is the game pin. You can join immediately. I'm repeating the game pin 6645217. This is the game pin. Okay, now I am going to start the game. Yeah, you can see two screens. There are teacher's screen and student screen. You can see here question and you can answer at your screen. The time limit is also there. From where did the coronavirus spread? Options: A, China, Italy, Kerala, Maharashtra. These are options. You can see your question and you can answer there in your screen. The time limit is also there. It's time now 30 seconds. Yeah, it is coming. Now the time is 29 seconds. You can play.
China.
I got 23 answers.
China.
China. Click on the next.
China.
Here, Rutvik, 979. Okay, next. Second question. When did Corona started? This is my question. You can answer there. I have get 30 seconds time to answer.
March.
You can answer there, not here. There option.
December. January.
Nana, we don't say. We have to play on device.
December.
Third question. Is cough a symptom of coronavirus? You can see here question and answer there. 9 seconds is left over. 5 seconds. I got 19 correct answers. 21, 23. Okay, click on next. Yeah, Sri Chakra is in first place.
Hi,
Next
ma'am.
question. How many days are corona quarantine? This is my question. You can see a question and answer there in your screen. 25 seconds is left over. I got 14 correct answers. 19 responded to me. 17 seconds is left over. Here you can see the two screens, teacher screen and player screen. You can see in the teacher screen question and you can play in your screen. 4 seconds is left over. Click on the next. I will get the scoreboard. Yeah, third place. In third position is in Akhilesh in third position. And second position is Keramya. And first position is Sri Chakra is in the first position. Yeah, this is the Kahoot. You can play like this. I think you understood how to play the Kahoot. Okay, now I got 35% correct answers. Okay, this is the Kahoot. View all. Here this many players has played my game. Okay, now I think you got how to play the Kahoot. Now I am going to share with you how to create the questions and how to make it awesome. Okay, open the Kahoot, go to the Play Store and download the Kahoot. Here you can see a lot of things at the bottom. There are 5 options are there. Home, search, enter pin, create, my games. These are 5 options. Home, this is the home page. Search, you can search any subjects in this. Enter pin, by entering the pin you can play here itself. Create, to create the questions it is useful. My games, which I have created till now, it is available here. So I am going to click on the create. Tap to add cover image. Here there are 3 options are there like camera, photos, image library by Getty Images. I wish to choose image library by Getty Images. Yeah, we got it. Here there are many themes are there like most popular, animals, arts, like this. We can choose any type of pic. Add, click on add. Crop, you can crop this image as much as you can. Okay, save, it is in the top right. Yes, the image is saved. Now I am going to enter the title. Now the title is general questions. This is my title. Visible to, it is visible to everyone. To create the questions, you can tap to add or click on add questions. It is in the bottom. Okay. Test knowledge, quiz, true or false, puzzle, type answer, poll, slide. First, I was to pick quiz. Tap to add image or video. You can add image or else video. I wish to choose the image. Any type of image you can add. As you can also crop as much as you want. Okay. Save. Save. The image is saved. I am going to enter the question. The first question is, which is largest? Which is the largest planet? This is my first question. Okay, I am writing the options. First option is Jupiter. First option is Jupiter. Here itself you can add the image. This is not correct. This is correct answer. Now second option is Mars. This is not correct answer. And the third option is Earth. This is also not correct answer. Venus. This is also not correct answer. I am going to pick up the first option, Jupiter. It is a correct answer. I want this question to be answered in a time limit is also there. Answer in a 30 seconds. Okay, click on done. To create, here you can see at the top right 3 options are there. Click on there. Here we get 4 options. They are preview, change points, multi-select, delete. Preview. Here itself you can play the game. Change points. You can change the points to 1000 or 2000 for each question. Multi-select. If we keep the single select, players can only select one of the answer. If we keep the multi-select, players can select multiple answers before they submit. So I wish to choose a single select. Okay. To create the next question, click on the add. It is in the bottom of right. Now I wish to choose the quiz. Okay. Tap to upload image or video. I am uploading image. Any type of image you can upload. Okay. Save. It is in the top right. Enter the question. Now I am going to enter the question. What is the largest ocean? This is my question. Okay, I'm going to enter the answers. First option is Indian Ocean. This is not a correct answer. Second option is Pacific Ocean. The second option is Pacific Ocean. This is the right answer. Okay, keep right answer. Third option is Arctic Ocean. This is wrong answer. And the fourth option is Southern Ocean. This is also wrong answer. Okay, I want this question to be answered in a 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, click on done. To create the next question, again you should click on the plus button which is in the bottom of right. Click. Now I wish to choose the true or false. Tap to upload image or video. I want to go to upload the image. Yeah, add crop. We can crop the image also. Okay, save. The image has been saved. Now I am going to enter the question. I am going to enter the question. The distance between Earth
Pacific Ocean.
the distance between Earth and Sun is 149,060,000. This is it right or wrong? Yeah, this is right. Click on I wish to click on the right. Okay, I want this question to be answered in a 30 seconds. Done. To create the next question, again you click on the plus symbol. It is in the bottom of right. I wish to choose now quiz. Okay, tap to upload the image. Tap to upload the image. Image by, okay, add. Click on add. You can crop the image. Yeah, I have been cropped. Save. It is in the top right. Now I am going to enter the question. I am going to enter the question. This is the fourth question. Which one of the following is a water soluble? Is a water soluble vitamin? Water soluble vitamin. This is my question. Now I am going to enter the answers. Okay, options: vitamin vitamin A, or else vitamin C, or else this is the correct answer. Pick up and keep right answer. Okay, third option is vitamin K, and fourth option is vitamin D. Vitamin D. I want this question to be answered in a
Vitamin C. Vitamin C.
60 seconds. Done. Okay, I have created the quiz. This is quiz.
Vitamin C. Vitamin C.
Okay.
Vitamin C.
Now we have to
Hey,
save
don't
this.
repeat.
Okay. The Kahoot which I have created till now, it will appear here. Click on it. Here you can see at the top, you can see 3 buttons. Click on there. Here we have got 4 options. They are preview, share, duplicate, delete. If we click on share, share your Kahoot. We can share our Kahoot in our Google Classroom, Remind, Messages, WhatsApp, like that. Done. Play. If you click on the play, choose game mode. Here it has two. They are teach or assign challenge. So I wish to choose as assign challenge. Click on create. It is the challenge is creating. Now we can share. I'm going to share this in our Indiranagar Smart Kids group. Okay, I have been shared. Now you can go through the link, go to the link and you can play it. Okay, done. I wish to choose start playing. Now I am going to play. See how the sound is coming. Submit. I am going to play. You can also play by going to the link. Which is the largest planet? This is the correct answer. Okay, click on next. Next. Which is the largest ocean? This is. Let me say I have done this. Next. True or false? The distance between Earth and the Sun is, okay, false. Let me say I have done this. Okay, next. The last question. Which of the following is a water soluble vitamin? Vitamin C.
C.
Okay, right. Next. Out of 4, I have written 2 right answers. So we have to chance to practice our mistakes. We have to chance to correct our mistakes by playing again and again. Keep on correcting until you get the right answer. This is the right answer. Okay, click on next. One more left over. True or false? Yeah, this is right answer. Keep on writing until you get the correct answer. Yeah, I got it. Okay, done. Here someone has been played. Here it will appear. This is the assign challenge. Okay. I hope you understood everything about Kahoot, how to create and how to see the scoreboard, how to share the link. This is Kahoot. You can play, enjoy a lot by playing this. In this pandemic situation, this is the most important to write the exams. That's it. Thank you, everyone.
Meghana, very good, beta.
Yes.
Excellent, wonderful presentation from you. And it is a game tool. First of all, in the beginning, you started with playing.
Yes,
I
sir.
think everyone enjoyed a lot. Okay.
Lucky.
Now, for this, actually, who made us perfect Kahoot? Our guest teacher, Lingaswamy sir from Nalgonda has entered. Satyalakshmi madam, please, I request you to invite Lingaswamy sir.
Okay, okay, Madhu sir.
Sir has raised his hand.
Before
HM
that,
sir.
1 second. Anna.
HM sir raised hand.
Okay. I will. Ma'am, okay, you can proceed.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Um,
Wow, beta. Wow. But a remarkable you have done it. Heartily congratulations, beta. God bless
Thank
you,
madam.
dear. With lots of knowledge. Knowledge is power and power rules the world. Language learning can be made fun as introducing games in online learning and increases the attention of the students. This is introduced to our smart kids by our Mr. Lingaswamy Sir garu. Welcome to this session. Now, let me invite Mr. Lingaswamy Sir garu to motivate our smart kids. Sir, you have observed the presentation on Kahoot, which was given by the first participant of this dissemination event session 2, the baby master of our mighty Meghana. Now, I request you to give qualitative comments on the presentation, and I request you to give the feedback on the presentation and also valuable suggestions for further improvement, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, welcome to our session, sir. Sir, welcome, sir.
Sir, over to Lingaswamy, sir. Please address the gathering, please.
Sir, Lingaswamy, sir. Welcome, sir, to our session. Over to Lingaswamy, sir. Madhu, sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Satyalakshmi, ma'am.
Madam.
Satyalakshmi madam, just a network problem is there with sir. I request you to invite Jyoti madam, Sampali Jyoti madam, to respond and to bless our children.
Sample is Jyoti madam.
Sir, are you ABPS?
Satyalakshmi, ma'am, please introduce.
Sir, madam, Anita madam, madam.
Yeah, just introduce Jyoti, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, welcome, ma'am.
Welcome, madam.
Madam, to all.
Madam, just let me.
Just, no.
Jyoti madam.
Hello, sir.
Okay, madam. This is the auspicious festival for the people of Telangana, celebrating Batkamma with warmth and fervor. Batkamma is the goddess who is worshipped for making the lives of people to Telangana happy Telangana. Women has a prominent role in our society. Woman is the supreme power of the nature. Hence, to introduce a woman personality during this festival period, we invite our sample is Jyoti Madam Garu as a guest for today's dissemination event session 2. A woman has different roles in her life, like that our Jyoti ma'am is performing different roles in the Department of Education, like a dedication teacher, a resource person, a helping hand to the poor, motivational speaker, and caring the girls, children of government schools. I cordially welcome to our sample is Jyoti Madam Garu. Madam, please welcome to our dissemination event session part 2, madam. Please welcome. Madam, handed over to sample is Jyoti Madam Garu.
Good morning, children. Really, first of all, let me express my congratulations to HM sir and team of Indiranagar School and dear wonderful children. I really appreciate you. I have no words to express myself because it's pressure.
Madam, your voice is not audible. Madam, Jyoti ma'am.
Sir, some network problem, sir. I'm really out of. So once again, dear children, it was a wonderful presentation by you, Meghana. And not only Meghana, I appreciate all the team of Indiranagar children because you are the children. Explore with the help of your teachers. I once again congratulate you all for taking up this task. Wonderful. You are inspiring to all the children in our district and other districts too. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. thanks for coming and blessing our children and encouraging us also. Thank you very much, ma'am. And okay, from this dais, I am very much thankful to Prabhakar sir, Lion Prabhakar sir, and Lion Kodanda Ramul sir for hosting us today. We are very much thankful to you, sir, both of you. Now it is a time to invite the second presentation, Ritvik from 10th class to present Google Slides. Ma'am, just you can invite Satyalakshmi ma'am, you can invite.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Just wait, sir. Ritvik, are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now, the next item, the next tool in this dissemination event is Google Slides. Presentations will help students to speak in a certain amount of time. They will learn how to communicate their message quickly, clearly, and successfully in a limited amount of time. A good presentation is easy to understand, memorable, and not so long that your audience loses interest. The advanced version of presentation is using by Google Slides. Now let us watch the presentation by Radiant Rutvik. Let us watch it. Come on, beta. Rutvik.
Very good morning to all of you. My name is Ritvik. I am from 10th standard, ZPHS Indranagar. Today I am going to present Google Slides. So I am sharing my screen. So, ma'am, it is visible, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Rutvik.
Visible.
Carry on, beta. Visible.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
clear, visible, beta. Carry on.
Okay, ma'am. So first I will go to Google Chrome. Then I will go to Google Slides. So after coming in, I can see here start a new presentation. So I can see here blank presentation, and here template. I can see many templates by clicking this arrow. So I can select how many templates I want. So I don't want this template, so I am going with blank presentation. So after clicking, we can see here click to add title. So at this right side we can see themes. I can select, if I click any of this theme, it will appear. So I will click here. After clicking this, I can see here font size. We can increase up to infinity. So I am increasing it up to 70. And after increasing, we can change your font. So here I can see some of fonts. At upside we can see more fonts. So after clicking it, we can see many of the fonts. So I will start with Algerian, and I will type Indiranagar Smart Kids. So here we can resize it. So I will take a longer, and here we can see subtitle. We can write here our subtitle. So in this also we can increase our font also. So I will increase up to 70. And after we can select font again, and I will write ICT tools. So after this we can see here files. In files, we can see share, new, means we can select and present from these options, and we can open and import slides and etc. In edit, we can see undo and redo. We can undo our slide and redo our slide. In view, we can present and we can change our motion and etc. are there in view. And insert, we can insert images from our computer or device, or in web drive photos by link or camera, and etc. we can see here. Audio, we can place our audio and we can add our video and etc. In format, we can change our text to bold and etc. are there. And in this, we can change our title to center, to middle, or any side of our settings, and etc. are there in this format. And in slides, we can create new slides, or we can duplicate it or delete or skip the slides and etc. And we can arrange in an order, and we can rotate it, and we can keep our page in horizontal or vertical. Tools, we can check the spelling and underline errors, and our dictionary will appear and etc. So this add-ons and help is not needed to us if we know more about Google Slides. So in this, we can see background. We can change our background color. I will click and red, and the background will change. And layout, we can see many slides, and if we click the slides, it will come, but it will come when we will click here plus. We can see more slides, and if we want to compare with any two things, we can select columns and etc. So I will paste a photo, an image, so I will choose blank. So I will click insert, and I will upload from web. So here we can see the web option is came. So I will write ICT tools. So after clicking, we can see ICT tools. I will click it, and we can see at the bottom insert. If we click the insert, we can see the photo as came inserted. So after this, we can resize it as our wish, and we can change our background color also. So I'm changing the background color. So I will go again to the background, and I will change it to green, so it will come. And we can make how many slides we want. So it is very useful to us to present anything on Zoom or any type of slides we can do in this. So here we can see transition. Transition means the movement of our slide. So in this, we can see none. If we select dissolve, and we can set here our movements, the seconds of the transition, slide transition. So I will apply to all, and I will click play. So we can see here the motion of the slide is came. So we can after appearing, we should stop, and we can select any of these. So I will take fade, and I will play. So it will come. So after that, I have made 2 slides. We can make how many slides we want, and we can make transition to all, and after this we can present it. After seeing this, here we can see play. If we click the play, the slide is present. Slideshow is present here. So after this, we can edit our slide, and we can, if we want to exit full screen, and if we want to exit, we can exit. So thank you all of you.
Brother, is it possible to make in phone?
Yeah, but there are not so many options in our mobile. In computer we can see many options.
Okay, brother.
Okay,
Thank you, brother.
Yeah. Okay, Ritvik.
thank you. Ma'am.
Madhu sir. Yeah. Okay, beta, you tried well. It's a nice presentation. Madhu sir, are you there? Satyalakshmi ma'am. Just to invite our teacher, sir, who is there. I would like to invite Sir HM sir. Sir. Okay.
Hello.
Madhu sir.
Anita ma'am. Just
Yeah.
actually network is so poor today.
Yeah, yes.
That's why it responding late now. Okay, Ritvik, very good beta. You are
Thank you,
excellent.
sir.
No, well done, very good. Okay, now Satyalakshmi ma'am.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Okay. Ritvik, Nana, just stop your screen share.
Sir, I have stopped it, sir.
Okay. Right, okay. Satyalakshmi ma'am, just Venkat Narayan sir has entered our meeting. Now, just I request you to invite him.
Okay, sir. Just wait.
Satyalakshmi ma'am.
Okay, Madhu sir. Thank you, sir.
Madam, you proceed, please.
It is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome today's guest of our dissemination session part 2 of this startling, beautiful evening, sir. This personality merely requires any introduction, though he is well known for his work in the field of education and working for hard providing opportunities to government school children. Now I invite the Mr. Venkat Narayan sir. Sir, please welcome to our dissemination 2, sir. Sir, please welcome, sir. I handed over to Venkat Narayan sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you, Madhu sir.
Anna, welcome, please welcome Anna garu.
అసలు క్లాస్ వింటుంటే నాకు మాటలు రావట్లేదు అన్న. యాక్చువల్గా ముందుగాల పిల్లలు కాదు, వాళ్ళంతా పిడుగులు ఫస్ట్ నా వర్డ్. ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కువసేపు మాట్లాడితే అసలు విషయం వాళ్ళకి చెప్పడం మర్చిపోతారు కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్గా చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ సెషన్ సార్. నేను ఈ క్లాస్ వినడము, మేము గత 21 రోజు ఓరియంటేషన్ క్లాసెస్ వింటే ఎంత సమాచారం వచ్చిందో. యాక్చువల్గా నేను నిష్ఠాలో 5 days చెప్పినటువంటి కహూట్ ను ఒక అమ్మాయి జస్ట్ 15 నుంచి 20 నిమిషాల్లో షార్ట్ అండ్ స్వీట్ గా చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ గా చెప్పినటువంటి మేఘనాకు నా యొక్క ఆశీస్సులు ముందుగాల. తర్వాత పోతే ఇందాక యాక్చువల్ గా చాలా మందిలో పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ తెలుసు. యాక్చువల్ గా మనకు గూగుల్ స్లైడ్స్ గురించి మొన్న ఓరియంటేషన్ తర్వాత స్లైడ్స్ విషయం తెలుసు. అట్లాంటి అప్డేట్ ఆప్షన్ చెప్పినటువంటి రుతిక్ వండర్ఫుల్ నాన్న. ఇంకా చాలా చాలా బాగా చెప్తున్నా. ముఖ్యంగా మీ యొక్క స్కూల్ టీమ్ ను అప్రిషియేట్ చేయకుండా ఉండలేకపోతున్నాను. ఈ స్కూల్లో కనీసం పని చేయకుండా ఇట్లాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో నేను ఈరోజు పార్టిసిపేట్ అయినందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతూ మరొక్కసారి మీ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. క్యారీ అన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you, Venkat Narayan sir. We expect lot of cooperation from you in future. Already you are cooperating us, and we expect a lot from you also. Annagaru, we have a right on you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yes.
Okay, Anna, thank you. Now, Madam Neelam Venkat sir from Adilabad has joined in our program. Satyalakshmi madam, please invite Neelam Venkat sir from Adilabad, English school assistant from Adilabad. Madam Satyalakshmi madam.
Sir, I'm here, sir. Sir, just a network problem, sir. Sir,
Okay, madam.
sir, Neelam sir.
Venkat sir, Venkat.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am cordially invited this dissemination event session part 2. Neelam Venkat Narayana sir garu. It is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome today's our honorable guest of this startling beautiful evening. This personality merely requires any introduction, though he is well known for his work in the field of education and working hard for providing opportunities to government school children. I am cordially invited Mr. Sir?
Neelam Venkat. Neelam Venkat.
Neelam Venkat, sir. Sir, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Our beautiful session, sir. Welcome, sir. I handed over to Neelam Venkat, sir.
Hello.
Sir. Sir, please.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning to Honorable Headmaster, sir, and dear staff members and digital smart kids. I am feeling very great privilege to attend this dissemination program of Indiranagar High School. I am Neelam Venkat, SA English from Adilabad district. My friend Sri Madhu sir delivered a speech about you, his favorite person, on a occasion at our RISA program. He told that not only headmaster, but also about your school and your children and your staff members. All the things he told, which told on the day, I feeling now it's absolutely right. It's not an exaggeration to say like that.
Yes, sir.
Your school is like a mighty banyan, I think so, because mighty banyan tree which gives shelter to so many people, so many birds or any other things. Your school also, I think, same in the same way, because the kids, which the presentation given by your kids are excellent, mind blowing.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, so many students are giving beautiful presentations on this ICT tools, which making me very happy. But some teachers cannot do such kind of ICT tools used in the education field. But your kids are making it possible. That impossible making as possible, and they are presenting very super in a super manner. Really, this credit goes to the staff members and the headmaster, sir. I really appreciate all of you, sir. And I hope your school, Indiranagar School, fame may spread all over the world, all over the state, all over the country. Okay, sir. And my friend Madhu sir told that our staff members and our students are very intelligent and very hardworking. What he told is 100%, not 100%, 200% right. Madhu sir, you have told exactly. what you told is here. I am. We are seeing here. We are watching in the programs. That's why I am feeling very happy. And one more thing, your presentation about all these ICT tools are marvelous, excellent, and which are we can use in day-to-day life in our this pandemic situations or whatever it may be in future also. You are so forwarded in this field. So I don't want to waste your this smart kids time by spending more time. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Madhu sir, and your headmaster sir, Ramaswamy sir, for giving me this golden chance to attend this dissemination program. Beautiful, wonderful program. Thank you very much, sir. Madhu sir, thank you very much. Headmaster sir and staff members. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Venkat sir. Thank you very much for attending and encouraging us and blessing our children. Okay, already, as you told, we are ready to take your time wherever we need for our students. Okay, sir,
sure,
you are
sir.
most welcome. Thank you very much, Venkat sir.
With pleasure, sir. I am also ready to share my knowledge to your beautiful and smart kids. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, let us go to the next presentation. That is Pavani from 10th class. Nana, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. I think you are going to present TestMOS. Satyalakshmi madam, will you invite Pavani?
Madhu sir, thank you, sir. Madhu sir. Okay. Pavani, are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, beta. Now, the next item, the next tool in this dissemination event session, that is testmos.com. Before lockdown, the children are habituated to write exams using paper. But we, the teachers, are trying different means to reach out you and to know what extent you learned from our online teaching. We need paperless assignment. This is possible with the TestMOS. This tool is going to be presented by Perfect Pavani. I welcome Pavani for your presentation. Welcome, beta. Carry on.
A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to the dissemination of development of online ICT tools for teaching or learning. Now, I am Pavani from 10th class from ZPH. Now, I am going to give demonstration for important tool of TestMOS. This is the tool to write test and any assessment, and we can evaluate the students by using this ICT tool of TestMOS.com. TestMOS is a tool which generates online examinations. So let me demonstrate that. So we have to go to Chrome. Type testmos.com and search it. After that, we can see the interface of the TestMOS. Here we can see build a test and try a demo test. Try a demo test means we can write the exam as a student. So we have to go to build a test. After that, we can see here, enter the chapter name means lesson name, subject name. I'll go with English and enter the password and retype the password. This password is very important for us. Yes. Password, we can't access the test, so we must go to password. And here we can see tasks, add questions, publish, view results. And at the top of the page at the left side, we can see menu. Click on that. And here we can see English, dashboard, settings, questions, publish, results. We go to one by one. Here we can see test name. Already we entered it. Here we can see introduction. If we want to give an introduction, we can give in bold letters or italic letters. For example, Write the test in bold letters. And here, select the color. I'll go with blue. And here, choose the language. Here we can see detect automatically. If we click on that, here we can see English, French, German, Hindi, Spanish. Here, we can choose detect automatically only because it will choose only English. I'll choose detect automatically only. And next is question settings. Show all questions in one page and show one question per one page. I'll go with first one because second one is useful for uh, different questions, different languages. And next one, review settings. If we give an conclusion after completion of the test, we'll give that like good. And next, show the custom if the student pass or fail. I no need of that one. And next display what we should display. I'll display score and test online. No need of this all for me. And next, access control. Who can take this test? I'll go with anyone because if I choose someone, they'll ask password. I'll go with anyone. And next, how much time does the students take the time? I'll go with 15 minutes because I have more time. And next one, how many tests to take? I'll go with one time because they'll enter so many times. Next, enter the name.
Anna, carry on. Yes.
Okay, Pavani, you can
Pavani,
unmute and
carry
speak.
on.
Pavani, are you there, beta? You can unmute, beta.
You can unmute and speak better.
Okay, sir. Here, notification. Notification means here who can want the email. You should type on yes. I no need of taking the email of the student. I choose no. Here again we go to menu at the top of the left side and go to questions. Here we can see insert. Insert. I'll go with multiple choice question. Question is, what is the antonym of complement? Option 1. Option 1 is uncomplement. And next one is insult. And third one is both. And fourth one is none. And I'll go with second question. I'll go with second question again, multiple choice question. What is the synonym of beautiful? First option is dirty. Second option is unbeautiful. And third one is pretty. And fourth one is none. I'll choose only two questions. Again, we have to go to menu. And here we can see publish. Go to publish. And here we can see ready to publish. Here we can see in the small box like publish. Click on that. And next here we can see the link at the top of the page in yellow color. Click, give the long press on that, and here we can copy the link to download link, share link, copy link, test. We can share the link in WhatsApp. I'll go with WhatsApp and I'll share in our Indiranagar Smart Kits. I'll shared. So please attempt the test. And this is very important in our pandemic situation now itself. And here we can see results. No one has entered. They want some time. This is a very important tool to us. It is very useful. Please attempt the test. In this situation, to write the exam, this testmos.com is very important for us. It is a very excellent tool. It is designed by Matt Johnson. It takes some time to attempt their exam. Please attempt the test. It is very important. We can see here average score also, average time, have average score, responses, and everything. No one had entered the test.
Nana, it takes time, so you go on, no problem, beta.
Okay, sir. Yeah, if the students had entered the exam, here we can see average score, average time, responses. Here we can see name of the student, score, how much time does they take. All this we can see, and they'll write the exam very easy to the link, and it is a very excellent tool. Next. After responses, we can take screenshot and keep in our WhatsApp groups also. A very thankful to our English department for giving this great opportunity, and special thanks to our Indiranagar school staff, and special thanks to our HM sir. Thank you.
Okay, beta, Pavani, very good. Excellent, beta, Nana. Wonderful presentation. Testing tool, testmos.com. Now, our Siddipet ELTA president, Panja Rajamallu sir, has entered. Satyalakshmi madam, I request you to invite him.
Okay, thank you, sir. Mother sir, thank you. Okay, beta, wonderful. Wonderful, beta. Your presentation is very wonderful. Thank you. Keep it up. Okay, before going to invite the ELTA President Siddipet, just I would like to give the thanks for Lions Club, sir. Mother sir. Okay.
Madam, actually today's host Simaraju Kodanda Ramulu sir, senior Lion member, retired development officer in LIC, and as well as we are very much thankful to our Prabhakar sir from Bejjanki, Lion Prabhakar sir, our English school assistant working in ZBHS Begumpet. Once again, we are very much thankful to you, sir. Okay, madam.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, Mother sir. Service to mankind is service to God. Lions Club International is the buzzing word for service motto activities in the entire world. We welcome our Lions Prabhakar Garu and Simharaju Kodanda Ramulu sir, and I would like also thank you for contribute to this opportunity, contributed to our session Zoom, sir. Lions Club personalities are very kind-hearted. They donate 3 TS to the world: talent, time, treasure. The greatest treasure for our school during this pandemic situation is the Zoom link for our school provided by Lions Club International. Using Zoom only, we got connected both to teachers and the students. So thank you once again, sir, Prabhakar sir, and also Simharaju Kodandaramulu sir, retired LIC officer sir. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you. Now I would like to invite ELTA President Mr. Rajamallu sir. I am extremely thankful for ELTA Siddipet President Rajamallu Garu and General Secretary Yusuf Garu, who created opportunities for the teachers to learn different web tools in this COVID-19 pandemic period by organizing webinars to teachers of English. And I am very thankful because a novice teacher like me got an opportunity to upgrade my skills in online teaching. I welcome the President and General Secretary of ELTA Siddipet for this dissemination event of Safe Session Part 2. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Rajamallu, sir.
Okay, madam.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Hand it over to Rajamallu, sir.
Good afternoon, all. Respected JDPHS Indiranagar High School Headmaster Ramaswamy sir and English fraternity Madhu sir, Anita madam, Satyalakshmi madam, and their school other subject teachers and other teaching staff and their technology group. I am very saying good afternoon all. Happy afternoon the kids, techie kids, smart kids. Really, I have just watched one presentation given by Pavani student. Wonderful. JDPHS Indiranagar School is the role model and ideal to our all the district schools, not only for the district schools. It is a role model to the state also. I feel proud of it for the commitment and dedication of the school HM and their staff and our English fraternity. And also, when we started our... Is my voice audible, sir?
No, sir.
Anna, your voice is low, very low. Just you increase your volume, please.
Yes, sir.
Hello, is it okay?
Now okay, Anna, you can proceed.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I would like to say congratulations to all the English fraternity, Madhu sir and Satyalakshmi madam, Anita madam and their headmaster for taking initiation towards the dissemination of this program, Techie Kids. Really, these kids, I hope, will become the super mentors in future. They are, I'm saying that they are really so fortunate. Not only these mentors, all the students in the school are so fortunate for having these wonderful teachers in their supervision, in their guidance. These children learned a lot and they are giving the best performances. Really, it is wonderful. Today I have seen Kahoot, Google Sheets and Testimos. And next, I think they are going to present Zoom also, Akhilesh Reddy. I am really happy watching this program. Those kids are very good at using their language. That credit goes to our English teachers and HMs. Meghana, Ritvik, Pavani, and Akhilesh Reddy. Really, congratulations. Always my blessings are with you. And it is nothing but the encouragement and the motivation of our teachers is always with you. So I suggest to children, please walk in the footsteps of your teachers. You will benefit a lot. Really, I am very, very thankful to our ELTA fraternity, and I hope our English teachers, other school teachers and our ELTA friends also have participated in this program. I am personally saying happy afternoon them. Hello.
Sir, carry on, sir. Sir, carry on.
Okay. Because it is a running of short time. Once again, I am congratulating all the students and the participants also. I am very thankful to our Pulluri Prabhakar, School Assistant English, JPHS Begumpet, who has given us a best platform to use this Zoom meeting. And another sir, Simharaju, Kodandaramu sir, retired LSC officer. Really, we are grateful to those teachers on behalf of our ELTA. Thank you. And always my help is given to you. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity once again for the HMs and our teachers. Thank you, sir.
So thank you very much, sir, Rajamallu sir, for coming and blessing our children and giving your valuable suggestions to them and for blessing them and suggesting us. And we will plan in future the same thing with all the schools. Okay, no, sir. Thank you so much for coming, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Rajamallu, sir. Anagaru, thank you. Now, let us see the last presentation of today's program, today's event. That is from Akhilesh Reddy, 10th class. Akhilesh Reddy from 10th class will present to Zoom. Satyalakshmi madam, you can invite Akhilesh Reddy. Please,
okay.
You can.
Okay, Madhu sir, thank you. Madhu sir, thank you. Okay, and Nana Akhilesh, are you ready, beta?
Ma'am, just 1 minute, please.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, okay, beta, you proceed.
No problem. Okay. Now.
Okay.
Sir, Madhu sir.
Anita ma'am.
Shrikant sir is there, I think. Now, sir, welcome, sir. P. Shrikant sir.
Shrikant sir.
Yeah, please respond on this event.
Yes, Pandam Shrikant sir is there.
Pandam Shrikant garu. Sir, please welcome to our session, sir. Before the last presentation, we need your suggestions and blessings to our kids, sir. Welcome, sir. Over to Shrikant sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Anyway, first of all, congratulations to all staff and HM because you conducted a beautiful program, a wonderful program. Respected HM and the staff of Indiranagar and students, smart kids of Indiranagar. I am very happy. Actually, I missed the first dissemination program. So that's why now today I decided I must see this program. Even though I missed a few children, just now Pavani's class I watched. Anyway, wonderful presentation. That kid, that girl. Even teachers also sometimes confused, but she didn't confuse. whatever she wanted to tell, she presented nicely. Her this program, which is conducted by you, anyway, you did marvelous job. I appreciated English fraternity of Indiranagar. Thank you, sir, and HM also. HM also. So thank you, sir, for giving this good opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Annagaru. Thank you. Thanks for coming and encouraging us and blessing our children. Thank you very much. And we expect the same cooperation from you in future also. Annagaru, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
And here, Anita ma'am, some guest teachers are here. Naima Kausir madam, Kausir, GHM, something. 4-5 guest teachers, headmasters are there, madam. After this presentation, let us take their blessings for our children. Anita ma'am, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So I request all the dignitaries who are presented over here to keep watching, and I request you to bless our children after this program. Please stay here to end up this program. Once again, I request you, and I am very much thankful to you for attending this program. Okay, Nana Akhilesh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, you can. Ma'am, Satyalakshmi ma'am?
Yeah, sir, Madhu sir. Okay.
Okay.
Nana Akhilesh Reddy, are you ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now, the next tool, the next item in this dissemination event is Zoom. The buzzing word in this lockdown period is Zoom. This particular video conferencing has been widely used by all sections of society and particularly in the education department to get connected with the students and teachers. Every day we are using new terms in the classroom like, am I audible? Is the screen visible? These are the new words using in the online class scenario. Now let us watch the presentation on Zoom by aspiring Akhilesh Reddy. Welcome, beta. Akhilesh Reddy. Carry on, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Akhilesh Reddy. I am from 10th class JPHS Indiranagar. So I am taken ICT tool, the Zoom, which is the useful to us for online classes for pandemic period. So can you have a doubt about why I am opening calculator? Sir, is it audible and visible?
Okay, beta, you proceed.
Okay, sir. So all of you came have one doubt why I am opening calculator. So this is a third-party app which I use it to present the Zoom to while I am in your room. So this is a very useful app to us to use for online classes. Sir, wait.
Okay, you proceed.
Okay. 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 All of you came one doubt why I'm opening calculator. This is a third party app which I use to present the Zoom for while I am in a room to present a room. So first we can open the Zoom. We have an interface like this. So we have to click on this sign in option. After clicking on this, we have a screen like this. So we have to click on this Google option. After clicking on this, they can Zoom can open browser, and we have to allow this. We have to choose an account to continue to Zoom. So I'm choosing my second account. So already signed in. I'm signed out already. So I'm not claiming date of birth options. So first time you are in sign in. They will ask your date of birth. But if you are below 18, the date of birth, the Zoom will not accept you to host. So I'm given my father's date of birth. So after we have to click on this allow option. So I'm clicked this. After clicking, we have a screen like this. So I'm in a meeting. The upside will be only two options. So I'm in not meeting. There will be four options: new meeting, share screen, schedule, and our meetings. So when I wish to start new meeting at the tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we have to click on the schedule option. When we are clicking, we have a screen like this. So we have to select our topic to schedule this meeting. So we have to click on this option. After clicking, we have to select our topic. So I am choosing presentation. So after clicking, we have to choose date and time. So I'm clicking on my date option. After clicking, we have to select date. So I'm choosing October 20 and October 20, 2020. After that, we choose our time. We have to click on this option. After clicking, we have to choose a time. So I'm taking 2 o'clock.
ఓకే ఓకే నేను సింపుల్ గానే చెప్తుంది కదా అంతే ఏం చెప్పు కానీ
2
లేదా అవి చెప్పి నువ్వు చెప్పి
2 o'clock to
ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళనే కదా చేసే తర్వాత
3 o'clock.
మంచిగా అంటే కదే కానీ అవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ
Anita ma'am, please mute.
So after giving the time, we have a screen like this. So we have only 40 minutes to present our Zoom. So we have to purchase for unlimited time. So I don't want unlimited time and don't want to purchase. So I'm clicking on this okay. After we have to click on this repeat option. Never. After clicking on this, we have a interface like this. So we have to click when we click on the everyday, the meeting will be reoccurred. Means we have to attend any time. So I am clicking on the everyday. So this after clicking, we have a new option, end repeat option. After clicking, we have to set this repeat forever. For the meeting will be forever. So I'm clicking on this. After the participants will join with the personal meeting ID also. So we have to enable it. So I'm enabling it. So this is the option which is the waiting room. When we enable it, the participants will not join without the host permission. So I don't want this. So I'm not enabling it. So after that, we have to click on this advanced options. After clicking on this, we can see the two more options. So this is a allow join before host option. This is a automatically record meeting option. When we enable the allow meet join before host, the participants will join without the host permission or without the host starting the meeting. So I don't want to allow the students to before join without the host. So I'm disabling it. So after overing this schedule, we have to click on the top right corner done option. So the meeting will be scheduled. So we have to invite our participants. So I'm inviting my participants by clicking on this invite option, and I am copying to my clipboard. So this is after this we have to send our meeting link to our participants or students or any others. So after scheduling this meeting, we have the meeting at this meeting option, so the down second option. So after clicking on this, the upcoming meetings are visible to us. So this is my 3 upcoming meetings. So this is the meeting which I scheduled before. So we have to click on settings to do some settings. So I'm clicking my settings. After clicking, we have this option profile. So we have to click on our profile. So we have to select our photo, anything photo, to select our photo or change our photo. So I don't want to change my photo, so I don't clicking on it. So after, this is a display name, my display name, friends tech. So I don't want to change that. So this is when we wish to sign out, we have to click on the sign out option to sign out. So I don't want to sign out, I'm not clicking that.
నువ్వు పూజ నేను చెప్దాం అనుకున్నా పూజ చేస్తున్నాను సపరేట్ అప్పుడే ఇంతకుముందు
So after opening the meeting, we have a screen like this. So this is the option which is the mute and unmute option. And when we enabling it, our audio will be audible to other. Sir, someone drawing.
Just you carry on, beta.
Akhilesh, no problem. You can beta.
Okay, sir. So
those admission numbers will be noted. No problem. You can.
Okay, sir. So this is a second option, which is the start video or stop video. When we have enabling it, our video will visible to others, or when we disabling it, our video not visible to others. So this is a screen share option. I already shared, so that's why I'm not able to explain it. So this is a participants list. So I'm opening my participants list. We can see how many participants are in this. We can see 132 participants, 131. So when we give host or co-host to others, we can click on that person, and we can there is no option to make host or co-host, because I am the co-host. When I am the host in this meeting, I am able to give co-host or host. In the free version, the co-host option will not there. So this is a ask to this is the option we can to ask to unmute that person. We can chat them, we can stop video them, or ask to start that video. The person already started a video, so I'm asked to stop video, or we can rename them, or ask to then rename. The option put in waiting room, we can put in waiting room her, or we can remove that person by clicking on the remove. So I don't want to anything. When we want to rename, we have to click our name, and we have to click our rename. So I don't want to rename. So we can search the participants like by clicking on the search option. So I don't want to search anyone. So this is a more option at the bottom right corner. So when we click on this, the options will like this. So we can record this meeting. So I don't want to record. So this is a disconnect audio. When we disconnect audio, others the audio will be not audible to us. So this is a chat option. We can chat all persons, everyone. So I'm explain the next. So this is enable original sound. Our phone sound will be not able to hear other participants when we disabling this. So after we have chat option. This is a chart option. These are the charts while the before this presentation. So I am want my meeting settings. So I am clicking on this meeting settings. After clicking on this, we have a options lock meeting or a waiting room option. This waiting room is, as I said before, the waiting room is not enabled. So when we click on this lock meeting, the meeting will be locked. No one can join. So I don't want to lock meeting. So this is a waiting room option. As I said before, I don't want to enabling it. So this is a option screen share. When we enabling it, every participants will share that person's device screen. So I don't want to enable it. So I am disabling it. So this is a chat options. So I want to give no one option. The chat is disabled to others. So don't want to disabling this. So I am clicking on the everyone. So this is a rename option and this is a unmute option. When we disabling the unmute option, the other participants will not unmute themselves without the host permission. And this is a rename option. When we disabling it, the participants will not rename themselves by the after attending the meeting. So I don't want to disabling this option. So I enabling it. So after when we click on the screen share, the options will be given like this. So when we want to share our screen, we have to click on the screen. So we have to share whiteboard. We have to click on this share whiteboard. Or when we want to show our photo to others, we have to click on this photo. Or we have to give Google Drive to others visible. I don't by clicking on this button. So I don't want to this any. I'm already shared my screen. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. That's all, sir.
Okay, Nana Akhilesh Reddy, very good, beta, wonderful. Even though you are remote village, the signal problem is there. Sir, please. Nana, it is a wonderful presentation, beta, and one more special from you that you explained Zoom on Zoom. Actually, it's impossible thing.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm taking my third-party app by researching the
And Nana Akhilesh, okay, beta. Okay, now actually our respected Sampath sir from Warangal Urban has entered our meeting, has come. Actually, he is the inspiration to us. He started first this kind of programs. He is the innovator. Satyalakshmi madam, I request you to invite him.
Sir, okay, Madhu sir.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Now I cordially invite Kokula Sampath Kumar sir, General Secretary of ELTA Warangal Urban. Turning pandemic time into a positive way is the role of optimistic personalities. The ELTA Telangana platform proved to be the pioneer in training teachers of English in web tools since April and conducting more webinars for the professional development of teachers. I welcome to General Secretary of Warangal Urban Sampath Kumar Garu for this program. He is relentless passionate teacher and mastermind behind all the webinars and online conference for the English fraternity of Telangana. He is the person who is the mentor for the enhancement mentoring project with stalwarts like Richard Smith and Ellie Ma'am. Sir, please welcome to our session, sir. You have visualized the last presentation of our dissemination event, the tool Zoom by our master Akhilesh Reddy. Now, I request to give comment on the presentation, sir, and also share your valuable suggestions for further improvement, sir. Sir, welcome, sir. Welcome to our session, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Madam Satyalakshmi, ma'am. And thank you, Madhu sir, and for your inspiration. And I congratulate all the children who are involving in this. And here number is 130 nearly. And Akhilesh Reddy's presentation very nice. I witnessed it. So I dreamt this improvement. So the children will be the presenters. By that, everyone can get inspiration, and every children will get a competitive spirit that I should do that. So like this, whatever the thing, whatever we learn as a teacher, so we have to work on it, and we have to reach the technology to the children. So as I feel, and everyone accepts that, the children are now, they are 21st century children, and they are digital natives. We are migrants to this world. Actually, we don't know earlier when we were children. Here they are here with the digital world. So they know everything, and they can perform everything, and it is we are witnessing everything that the children are masters of technology. So need not to worry about the things, whatever the pandemic situation or any difficult situations we face. So these are the children, they can overcome all the difficulties and prove themselves that we can make wonders. So this is the message going on, passing on. And I feel personally that we are indebted to our children only, not to others, and they are masterminds. So our duties, our responsibilities, we have to motivate them. When we engage them in different activities and promote them, we can see many wonders. So we have to give opportunities to them, and by that, every child is a mastermind, and they can prove themselves that, oh, I can do. So that is the thing happening, sir. I feel very much indebted to you, all of you organizers, and those who are here, Indranagar School and Siddipet people, and all the personalities here, and the children who are here witnessing all these developments. So I feel great, whatever the task. So I have been doing something, but I have to do more. So when I see like this, the improvement, and getting some inspiration, and also doing all these things in different areas is a thing I feel happy, and that it is passing on and everyone is doing like this in every district, and every teacher feels like that. So no other situation stops us to do to continue our learning process, teaching learning process. So congratulating Madhu sir personally, and inviting me for this occasion. And Akhilesh Reddy has done well, and he is annotating like a master, and he's explaining everything clear, and everyone is means understood the thing. Okay, I congratulate ma'am and Madhu sir. I feel great to be here with you, and go on. All the very best for your future endeavors. And I feel great that I have been doing something. An idea came, and I have done it. So you are saying that we got inspiration from you like that. So this is the thing, not from me, and this is the thing should be done by all of our teaching fraternity. Okay, I feel great for it, and I thank you, and feel all these children are blessed, and I too extend my support in future endeavors, whatever thing you need. So we will continue this kind of situation all over the means all over the world. We can say we are spreading our association and the activities. Now they are looking at Telangana, and all the people, eminent people, are visiting us and appreciating us, and the children and the teachers and the people who are organizers. All the people are taking part of this a great event, and I congratulate you. Thank you very much, sir, Madhu sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children. You have given me an opportunity that to visit your session and see your talents. Thank you. I feel happy. I feel proud myself that my own children are doing all these things. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, Sampath sir. Even though you are in busy, you have given your valuable time for us and for encouraging us and blessing our children. We are very much thankful to you, sir. In future also, we expect many more from you, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Sampath sir.
Okay, please, could you explain who are the children and how you are doing all these things? How many days you did, and let me know about.
Actually, from 10th class, we have selected 25 members, sir.
Okay.
For them, we have been training those 25 students only. Actually, we have taken some others help also, sir. Even some of our state technical team, Salome ma'am and Lingaswamy sir from Nalgonda, they also have contributed their service to towards our children. Actually, today Kahoot was presented with our kid. That Kahoot was presented to the children, trained by Lingaswamy sir from Nalgonda, sir. He is one of our resource teams, state technology resource team.
Okay, sir.
Actually, the process is going on, sir. Every Sunday, we have planned to disseminate this event.
Neelam Venkat Adilabad sir is also there, our friend.
Sir, Neelam Venkat Adila from Adilabad, sir. He is
Sir, good
our
afternoon, sir.
RIE friend.
Good afternoon, sir. Sampath sir, good afternoon.
RIE mate, sir.
Happy, sir, to
I'm also feeling very happy, sir, to join this dissemination program.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Madhu sir. Thank you, Sampath
Okay,
sir.
okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sampath sir. Sir, Sampath sir, we are very much thankful to you, sir.
So my child is here, sir. I have invited my children also.
Sir.
Rahul Oskula, Elta Techie Kid Mastermind, he is there, and he is organizing and coordinating the sessions every day.
Okay, sir. Rahul.
Rahul Oskula is there. Rahul, please express. So Tejas is also there. And Rahul, please unmute and speak your experiences on this platform. Everyone knows.
Yes, sir. First of all, good afternoon to one and all, and thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And we started our ELTA program on August 15, 2020, and we discussed so many ICT tools, 18 ICT tools, I can say, and language elements, creative writing. And we don't know before this program what is this language elements and tech tools. And we came to know after this program, and we become masterminds. And I'm very happy to include in the ELTA program, and I congratulate this program. And thank you and all for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Okay, Nana Rahul, very good, beta.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Samba, Rahul, very good, Nana. Keep it up. Samba, sir, once again, I convey my thanks to you, sir. And now I invite Headmaster Naim Kaushik. Please welcome. You are most welcome, sir. Ma'am or sir. Naima Kaushik.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please welcome. You are most welcome, ma'am.
Okay, sir. First of all, congratulations, HM and staff, sir, and students. Dear students, always believe in yourself. You have a ability to do any kind of work. Whatever it is, easy to tough work, sir. So be believe confidence and work hard, get your dream. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Hello,
ma'am. Thank you very much. And some guest teachers are here, sir. Please, sorry for not recognizing. Please raise your hand, sir. Sirs and madams, please raise your hands. You are humbly requested to raise your hand, sir. HM Gopal Reddy sir is there, but his audio is not working, I think. Anita ma'am.
Yes, Madhu sir, I'm here.
Just
Can we?
okay, you can proceed. And
Yeah.
okay.
Yes. Good day to all of you. I am Anita ma'am, ELT of ZPHS Indiranagar. I hope all of you have enjoyed and learned something from this session. Okay, very good, beta. All of you have done well. Yes, it's my privilege to say the valedictory words, and I'm very happy that this afternoon, though we have so many personal commitments, all the dignitaries presented here, and all the parents, and all the teachers, and ELTA fraternity, and all my colleagues, and especially my special thanks to our beloved HM sir to motivating us, to encouraging us to do such things, and giving us this platform, and making our kids as smart kids. And today, so I also express my thanks to all the dignitaries like Sampath sir, Varangal Urban ELTA General Secretary, and Sampalli Jyoti ma'am, and Venkat Narayan sir, and Neelam Venkat sir from Adilabad, and our ELTA Siddipet District President Rajamallu sir, and our teacher, our fellow teachers, P. Shrikant sir, SA English, and all Gopal Reddy sir, the GHSM, ZPHS Ankiredipalli, and Naima Kausam ma'am, GHSM, ZPHS Dommat, and all the elders gathered here and blessed our children. And my special thanks to today's Zoom host, respected Lion Kodanda Ramlu sir, retired development officer of LIC, and also Lion Prabhakar sir, SA English Bejanki. So we are very grateful, sir, to provide and facilitate this opportunity to our kids. And I'm very thankful to all the English team, our colleagues, and all the teams and parents, and all the people who gather over here. And I hope we learn something from this event, and we assure that we will do, and our kids will do wonders from this platform in upcoming days. And thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. And moreover, I lastly convey my thanks to my colleagues, my team, English team, Madhu sir, and especially Satyalakshmi ma'am, HOD of our Indira Nagar.
Anita ma'am, sorry for interruption.
Thank you.
Just better to invite our Kodanda Ramulu sir to speak a few words if it is possible. I think he is in driving, but once.
Yes, sir. Sir, now I request our Kodanda Ramulu sir to address this gathering and suggest and bless our children. Sir, welcome, sir. Warm welcome to our dissemination event, sir. Please, over to Kodanda Ramulu, sir. Sir, are you there? Sir?
Ma'am, I think he is in driving.
Okay.
But.
And thank you, sir. Though you are in a busy schedule, you allotted us your precious time of Zoom. And
సార్ ఫ్రీ అయ్యారా ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు రెస్పాండ్ అవుతారేమో అని పిలుస్తున్నాం మిమ్మల్ని. సార్ ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
If it is convenient to you only.
అంటే ఎండింగ్ వచ్చిందంటారా?
ఎండింగ్ వచ్చింది సార్, అంతే క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు మీరు పిల్లలని కొద్దిగా బ్లెస్ చేసి క్లోజ్ చేద్దాం. వెల్కమ్ సార్. Anita ma'am, sorry is coming. Kodanda Ramulu sir.
Sir, warm welcome to our dissemination event, sir. We are very thankful to you, sir, to providing this platform. Thank you so much. Sir, warm welcome to this session, sir. Please address the gathering. Sir.
Okay, I think he is coming.
Yeah. And is our HM, sir? Sir, our HM, sir. Sir, HM, sir.
Madam.
Please express your comments and suggestions to our children and say a few words about this program or event. So please.
Okay, madam. Actually, I am very happy and feel proud to have such a dream team in English subject and all subjects also. And I am very much happy for your initiation for taking this event, and you are preparing the students very well. Really, it's a wonderful experience and a good expectation, good presentation from the students what we expected. Really, the students are also doing very well. It's a very useful events you have selected. Really, we are very happy with the presentations, ma'am. And in future also, we have to encourage our students to do much more better. And also, I am very thankful to the hosts and the providers of this facility, and the HMs and other teachers who attended this program, and the dignitaries of ELT and other district representatives. I'm very thankful to them for attending the program. And I bless my children to do the best in future. And thank you for English department for conducting this program. Thank you, Vananda.
Sir, thank you so much for your motivation and suggestions, sir. Thank you so much. Madhu sir.
Anita ma'am, before that, Sripal Reddy sir is there from Pedalinga Redipalli.
Yeah, sure. Yes, sir. Sir, welcome, sir. Sripal Reddy sir, please say a few words about this event and bless our children and suggest them for their betterment. Sir, please welcome, sir.
Vasan Reddy garu, I have joined the program.
Sir. Anita ma'am, Kodanda Ramulu sir has joined.
Yes, okay. Sir, please welcome, sir. Kodanda Ramulu sir. To address the gathering, sir, please. Please
Thank
welcome.
you. Thank you very much, Ma. Thank you very much. Respected District Educational Officer of Siddipet District and the organizers. I don't know actually the program organizers and their names. I don't know, but Ulleru Prabhakar is happened to be a line of our Lions District. He asked me to host this meeting today. So it is a great opportunity for me to participate in your program. I think this is the English platform for the students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ICT tools, related ICT.
So this today's program organizer, this Zoom organizer. So I am the host. Though I am the host, organizer of this program is Masoon Reddy Garu, I think. So, and my beloved children, really it is a great opportunity to have this program. Children particularly, I wish the children a great success in your endeavors. Goal setting is most important to achieve anything. So you set a goal for your life. That goals should be intermediary and long term and life term. So according to that, if you work hard, definitely you achieve your, you reach the goals. So keeping this in your mind, you put your sincere efforts to achieve it. I wish the children particularly a great success in your endeavors. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, even though you are busy or in a tour, you have given your valuable time, sir. And today, this facility, it helped us a lot, sir, to prove our children's worth on this platform. We are very much thankful to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir.
So I am taking leave, please.
Ma'am. Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, Sripal Reddy, sir, please. Sripal Reddy, sir.
Sir, I am student.
Nana Sripal Reddy, ZPHS Pedalingapur, student. Okay, beta, very good. Nana, would you like to respond anything?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, beta, very good for your interest. Keep it up, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Really, you are super, Nana. Good. Anita, ma'am, I request you to conclude.
Yeah.
Say conclude words.
Yes, all of you have enjoyed, I think I enjoyed, and all the students of 6th to 10th participated in this event. So Nana, I hope you will get some idea how to give presentation from your senior students. I hope you too become like that, like them, and you have the platform. This is the platform to you also, and do your best. And lastly but not least, it is I'm thankful to all the Delta fraternity and all of the parents and teachers, HMs, and all the pupil students of Indiranagar school. And especially I'm very thankful to our kids, because why I'm thankful to our kids is they have done very hard work to prepare themselves within this short 2-3 days. They performed wonderfully for your wonderful presentation, beta. God bless you, beta, and just rock you today. You rocked the platform, and with your presentations, beta. Just keep on going like this. And once again, my humble thanks to all the participants, and especially our HM sir and my beloved colleagues, Satyalakshmi ma'am and Madhu sir. Thank you one and all. With this, we are closing this event. Thank you one and all, and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madhu sir?
Thank you, one and all.